Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving who you are, so open your Google Sign-in now and enter the account email. If prompted for a security code, choose Try Another Way only after checking your recovery email and phone. Once done, make sure your device used previously for sign-in is nearby and unlocked, because Google often sends codes to familiar devices. If you see a prompt about an authenticator app, pause and do not reset anything yet. Follow the on-screen delivery options carefully. Next, retrieve the code by systematically checking SMS, voice call, and your recovery email. Then open any authenticator app you set up, because it may show a 6-digit code. If you get a Google prompt on a trusted device, tap it to approve quickly. Once you try these methods, use backup codes saved earlier as a last quick option. If none work, choose Don't Have Access and follow the account recovery flow. Explain past passwords and account creation details to prove ownership. Finally, after you regain access, immediately review two-step verification settings and update recovery options so this doesn't repeat. You should add a secondary phone number and reconfigure an authenticator app, then generate and store new backup codes in a secure place. Make sure to sign out unused devices and change your password if anything looks suspicious. If you still face code delivery issues, wait up to 24 hours for rate limits to clear. Then retry. Otherwise, start another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.